Hey teachers, this is Brenda Kovich. I enjoy teaching with Google Sites and you can too. Today you'll be learning to add layouts in Google Sites. Make sure you visit the blog post listed beneath the screen. It will give you the lowdown on 20 ways to revolutionize teaching with Google Sites. Later in the presentation, I'll show you how to customize your layout, so make sure you stick around till the end. Let's get started. If you remember the last time, we were working on this Google site called Answering Questions For. So we double click to open it, and every time that you open your site, you're going to come to the home page and the insert menu will be open. Today we're going to be working on a different page, so we go to Pages and Lesson Plans. Now we click back to Insert in order to insert a layout, and your layouts will be located right here on your Insert column or menu. I'd like to put two images right here under lesson plans that show my printed lesson plans. So I come over here and I choose this layout, and you see that it appears immediately over here in my page. And what you'll also see, let's try another one, is that as I add different layouts, they layer on the page, and that's how you create your page. Now I'm going to get rid of these just by coming over here and clicking on this trash can, and we'll work here. Now the first thing I do is to click on the plus sign and upload. I'm taking mine from my computer, and I want slide 3 right here, and I want slide 4 right here. Okay. Now I need to resize these because you see I can only see the middle. So if I click on this, you'll notice that there is a blue box with dots all the way around. I don't want that. I don't want to resize my text. So I click again so that only my image is selected, and then I drag on this bottom dot until my entire page is displayed. And then I come over here and I do the same thing, click again so only that is highlighted, and then click and drag to open to the size I want. Now I'd like to go ahead and see these a little better, so I'm just going to give a little preview from another video, but here if I click on this palette, I can change the background so that I can see those a little bit better. All right, now for this, I do not want to add any text down here, so I'll click on that and get rid of that. I don't want any right here, so I click, make sure it's selected, and get rid of that. Now, I am going to be linking a PDF of this page after a while, so I'm going to go ahead and write the words PDF here so that I can link them. Okay, that's it. Before I show you how to customize your layouts, I'd like to remind you to like, share, and comment on this video. That way you can help other educators learn to use Google Sites in their classrooms. Today's tip is how to customize your layout. When I began making sites, I thought the layouts had to remain the way they were shown. Not true. You can add and subtract media from the layout. So let's just do, as an example, let's try this layout. So I put it in, and let's say I want to put an image here, and then I also want to put my text here, but I want to put another image in here. What you do to customize your layout is to double click on a blank area like this. You'll get this circle, and you can go ahead and choose whatever you would like to add there. So if I want an image, I would just click, I would select it, and I would put it in. It's as easy as that. If I want extra text, again, double click, and it adds a text box there. So these templates are customizable. You just have to double click and add what you want. Okay, that's it. Have a great day. Stop back again to learn more about Google Sites in your classroom.